It's like yin and yang. Everything just comes together so nicely and it's delicious. Guys, gotta have a little coffee before we start making some soup. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're going to make a really nice Korean soup. A soup that in fact is not red and spicy as some people might perceive Korean soups to be. The soup we're making today is radish and beef soup. One of my absolute favorite day-to-day Korean soup dishes. Friggin' delicious. If you're hungover or sick, or your wife is sick, or your kids are sick, and you want to make them feel good, you want to make something like this. You want to buy a couple of these babies and make some radish soup. So I'm going to show you how to do that. First thing we're going to do here, guys, is we're going to peel off half of this radish. And the reason why you do want to peel the radish is because the skin actually has a harder texture. I want my bites of this radish to be uniform. Just gonna cut the end off the radish. This we'll dispose of. And slice. It's about maybe 1 inch thick. Just under 3/4 of an inch. We're gonna have 4 pieces there. This will yield us quite a few pieces of radish actually. All right, I'm gonna take a piece here, slice like that. Look who's here to visit. Good little. I don't think you like radish. You like radish? You wanna smell it? Yeah. Not interested, are you? No? No? Yeah, didn't think so. All right, so next I just got a regular size onion. Not too big, not too small. And I just want to cut these into rough little cuts. I don't want big onion chunks in this soup. I simply want the onions for flavor. So not too small, but small enough that they disappear. Something like that. Can you see? Now, I don't know if this was gonna work, but the other day I was just thinking in my head, you know what, I'm just gonna try a hammer. See, I gotta get a mortar and pestle. This is a man's way to cook. Use hammers and tools, hardware, bro. Okay, that's so stupid. That actually is a dumb idea. Chop up your garlic, nice. Okay, I think this is more than enough garlic. I went to my local grocer and found myself a nice piece of rib steak that was on sale, so I'm gonna use this. No need to buy a fancy cut of beef. We're making a soup. Any sort of beef scraps that you might have or stewing beef that might be available, that would work just as fine too. What we're gonna do first is we're gonna sear the beef. I added some olive oil. Oh, there we go. Nice brown caramelization on the exterior. This is going to release a lot of delicious beefy flavors into our soup. Not only that, it's going to make the beef look more appetizing when we take it out and slice it. Add your onions. And then next I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon, let's go a little bit heaping tablespoon of garlic. Give this a quick saute. Get 2 liters of water. And just dump the water, the 2 liters of water, over the meat, the onions, and the garlic. Put some salt in here, probably about 1 teaspoon's worth of salt. And then some pepper. Let's give this a little mix and bring this up to a boil and simmer for about 20 minutes. And after that, we're gonna add the rest of our ingredients. All right, 20 minutes is up. Now we're gonna add the rest of the ingredients to complete the soup. Smells really nice. We need to add the radish to develop that beefy, radishy, delicious flavor. So let's put our radish in. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of fish sauce. Fish sauce you kind of want to have as an aftertaste that blends in with everything. You don't want to taste the fish sauce so much. Let's give it a little taste quickly to see if we have enough salt and pepper in here. Oh yeah, the right amount. It's already delicious, however, not good enough. So we're going to simmer this for another 20 minutes and then we're pretty much done. Okay, the soup is almost ready. Let's take our beef out and cut it into bite-sized pieces. I'm gonna cut them like this. You can cut them into thin strips as well. It's up to you. Gonna cut some fresh scallions here for our garnish. For nicer presentation, I'm gonna make strips. Doesn't really matter, but I'm just gonna do it this way today. It's fine to do this as well. Okay, let's give this a taste. And if you feel like you need more salt and pepper, feel free to just add a little more salt and pepper to it. So I'm actually gonna add a little more pinch of salt and just a little bit of pepper as well. And let's add our strips of green onion. Here we have our beautiful SoGogi MuGuk. Nice mixture of a soft bite radish. Then you have the nice pieces of beef. Really delicious. Okay, so it's all done. It looks nice, it's beautiful, it tastes good, it tastes healthy, it's hearty, and it's gonna taste even better tomorrow. So once the pot cools down on the stove there, I'm gonna put it in the fridge, and when you eat it tomorrow, it's gonna be even better. If you need a little more sodium in your soup, just feel free to add a little more salt in your bowl, or you could even add a little bit of soy sauce as well to give it more flavor. However, I like to have it just like this. Like I said, I like to have it very clean. This soup pairs so well with kimchi. So you got yourself a spoon of rice like this, get some soup in there, put a little piece of meat, get some of that radish. Sure, 1 piece of radish, okay. Let's get a good chunk of kimchi on there. That is a complete bite. What a lot of Koreans also do is we call it pap maro. So pop is your rice and then you put it in your soup. A lot of Korean guys that are in rough shape from a night of soju drinking, they will get some soup and they will put some rice in there, get some kimchi, put that on top. Delicious. So that's it. That's how you make 소고기 MuGuk the Johnny Roe way. It's really delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Please pair it with some kimchi. It makes it that much better. Thanks for watching and subscribe and check out some of these videos. See ya.